I am Mr. Ravi Kumar, Research Scholar, Krishna University, Machilipatnam, under the guidance of Professor K. Chandrasekharaya Garu, JNTH, Hyderabad. Literature Survey, Research Group publications related to the cybercrime case study. Today's topic is an Act implementation analysis, a solution approach to diffuse cybercriminally seditious government of Telangana. Abstract of this paper is JNTH JAG prevalent in the JNTH academic environment since 2011 and fake government of Telangana prevalent in the internet since 2011 are cyber criminally organizations and are collectively termed as twin big data cyber criminal organizations. And People's Governance Forum say motivation of this particular cyber crime. RTA information motivated to utilize RTA Act 2005, submitted RTA applications to 7 public information offices in India, analyzed the response. Introduction of this paper is, real Swaraj will come not by the acquisition of authority by a few, but the acquisition of capacity to resist authority when abused, says Mahatma Gandhi. The RTA Act is the common man's Brahmastra, and it can convert our purely electoral democracy into a true participatory democracy. Figure 1 shows the screenshot of the homepage of the website with the URL. 4 cybercrimes, namely State Emblem of India provision of Improper Use Act violation, cheating the nation, seditious law violation, and identity theft crimes. The crime is a big data cybercrime and JNTH JAG and fake GOT. Cybercriminal organizations together are termed as twin big data cybercriminal organizations. Motivation for this paper is, as a part of our diffusion efforts, the need for ICT solutions to bring awareness about the cybercriminally seditious government of Telangana to the public. Use of relevant People's Governance Forum, web devices, and very popular social networking services such as Facebook, Twitter, etc. Recognized the fact that with the only ICT and without right information, the base for ICT solutions is not concrete and sound. ICT could be used in the light of RTA Act 2005. RTA Act 2005 together with ICT solutions could diffuse the deleterious effects of these cybercrimes. Here in figure 1, screenshot of the JNTH JAG website as on 13th, 2012. Methodologies used in this paper is RTA information transparency, and informed society, that is well-informed society, a knowledge society, JNTH JAG, a cybercriminal organization. The information that it provided is ill information as well as cybercriminal information. When such ill cybercriminal information is presented to the society will be turned to ill-informed society, cybercriminal society. Therefore, it may become perishable society. PGF as a cyber remedial forum established in 2014 without any iota of personal benefit and with a good cause of shouldering the national responsibility of disseminating the national integration among the students and provides basic awareness of how to use internet positively, the goal of PGF. Here in figure 2, screenshot of the PGF web page as at the URL in methodology of this paper is public information offices selected for our RTA Act implementation analysis. Selected 7 public information offices for RTA Act implementation analysis, among which 4 are national level organizations, Prime Minister's Office, University Grant Commission, Department of Science and Technology, Rajya Sabha Secretariat, 2 are Telangana state organizations, Government of Telangana, Telangana State Public Service Commission, and one in Andhra Pradesh State Organization, Andhra Pradesh Secretariat. Selected them with the following objectives: to check for his awareness about TBDCOs, for his initiatives, to take remedial measures, to verify for his coordination with, to verify for his recommendations of appropriate policies, and to monitor the Indian universities and colleges such that these types of cyber crimes incidents do not recur. And another session is data collection analysis for cybercrime remediation. Gathered data through RT Act 2005 from the public information offices mentioned in the table 1 and analyzed as in the table 2 towards solutions to the cybercrimes. In table 1, RTA request response communication details with respect to the various PIOs in India. So here we can observe in this table 7 PIOs are there throughout the in India for getting the information through the RTA Act. Here is the response received from the RTA request, and for the response of satisfactory, and after not satisfied with the particular information, then we can go for the first appellate of the authority, and we have satisfactory reports of some of the organizations. And detailed analysis and interpretation contributed significant time and efforts to check the PIO's awareness and verify their reactive and remedial approaches with respect to these cyber crimes. Table 2, analysis of RTA Act 2005 documents. These are the 7 PIOs information, analysis of the particular organizations. And as a sample RTA application to DST, New Delhi is in figure 2A, and the response received from it is in figure 2B. The complete list of RTA application documents and their copies can be found at the URL. Figure image of the RTA application to DST, New Delhi. Image of RTA response document received from DST, New Delhi. And results and discussion. So the funding organizations proposed one additional and important parameter, that is cybercrime parameter, to the list of parameters selected by the funding organizations. The cybercrime parameter could be applied to any fund seeking universities or colleges, as is that organization cybercriminally seditious organization. If the answer to this parameter is yes, then the funding organization should control, cancel, or reduce their funds to the such universities or colleges. Then only these crimes prevalent in such organizations could be cancelled or eliminated. From the analysis of RTA requests sent and responses received by us, the 7 PIOs were thoroughly checked for their awareness with respect to these cybercrimes. The responses from 5 PIOs are received so far. So the response from AB Secretary indicates that the information about FGOT came to be known after we submitted our RTA application. The response from TSPS indicates that the cybercrime topic is not made part of the syllabus for exams conducted by TSPSC. Hence, research results discussed in this paper indicate efforts are fruitful. And the research methodology objectives aim to transform the ill-informed cybercriminal society to a well-informed society, and hence into a progressive society, or realized through the quality of national digital life. ICT solutions and RTA Act 2005 implementation in this research work. The PGF web devices and social networking sites such as Facebook, Twitter could be used to propagate right information obtained through RTA Act information through the society. The right information brought into the Indian society could result in remedial actions against these cybercrimes, and hence could assist in the setting up of cybercrime-free society. Our future work is to carry out our remedial actions against cybercrimes at large scale. Thank you.